Hello, in this tutorial, we work an example of how you can fetch data from a free API, store it in Delta table in PySpark within Databricks, and implement incremental loading, also known as Delta processing. Incremental loading ensures that only new or changed data is added rather than reprocessing the entire data set each time. Okay, first of all, import necessary libraries. Okay, and initialize a Spark session. Okay, and third step, fetch data from a free API, JSON placeholder in this case. And we will use the user's endpoint as example. You can see data structure here. It's a nested JSON. Okay, and define response variable. Okay, and next step, check if the request was successful. Okay, and next step, convert the JSON data into a Spark DataFrame. You can adjust the schema according to API response structure. Okay, and define the and we want define the Delta Lake table path. And check if Delta Lake table exists. And so for check it, I need import Delta.tables library. Okay, and here I must define a if clause for check if a table exists, load the current data table. And here, if a table exists, load the current data table. And next step is find the maximum ID already present in the table. And next step, actually, Seventh step, implement the incremental loading by filtering new data and load only new records where ID is greater than the maximum ID found in the delta table. Okay, and now I want to define nested if here. Nested if is if a new data exists, append it to the delta table. Thank you. Okay, and finally, I defined a final step in clauses. Uh, if the delta table does not exist, create it with initial data. Oh, okay, and created 10 records here, and finally I verify the contents of the delta table, and I wanna check the result. Okay, and now I'm going to get a result from Delta Lake after incremental loading. Okay, and now I want to run a SQL query to display data. Okay, you can see column ID, address, username, company, and phone, and other columns that I didn't select them. Okay, back to this piece of code. Okay, and I run again. Okay, no, you can see no new records are found to append. So code works correctly, and here I select again. You have just 10 records. Thank you for your watching.